Worksheet question number 16. A sum of rupees 1600 is to be used to give 10 cash prizes. SN is 1600, 10 cash prizes. That means S10 is 1600 to students of school for their overall academic performance. If each prize is rupees 20 less than its preceding price. What is the first prize? A. What is the second prize? 10 less. What is the second prize? 10 less? 20 less. 20 less than the preceding price. What is the third prize? A minus. What is the difference? Second minus first. Difference is minus 20. Find the value of each of the prices. What is the formula for S10? Can anybody tell me S10 formula? 10 by 2, 2a plus 9. 2a plus n minus 1 and 10 minus 1 is 9. N by 2, 2a plus, what is 10 by 2? 5. What is the first price? A. And what is the difference? Minus 20 is equal to 1600. What do you need? 2a minus 180. Do you wish to take this 5 inside or you want to bring it down and divide? Don't take it inside. It will make your calculations longer. Pratamdeep Singh, can you please pay attention here? 2a 1600 plus 180. What is it? 1780. Oh, I'm sorry. I forgot to divide it by 5. 5 3 is a 5 2. 320 plus 180. 500 and this 2 comes here. 250. What is the value of first prize? Value of each prize. 10 prizes पूछ रहे हैं वो और 20 less. 250, 230, 20 less. 210, 20 less, 190, 2 less, 170. 20 less, 150, 20 less, 130, 20 less, 110, 20 less, 90. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are the prizes. Value of 10 prizes. ये पूछा था? हर प्राइज की वैल्यू 20 लेस है. जब आपका फर्स्ट प्राइज आ गया S10 का फॉर्मूला लगाया 10 by 2 2a plus 9 दी 5 इधर ले जाके डिवाइड कर दिया बाकी सब वैल्यूज लगा दी इधर minus 180 इनकम है 180 500 over 2. Question number 17. A manufacturer of TV sets produced 600 sets in the third year. A3 is 600 and 700 sets in the seventh year. ठीक है जी. थर्ड ईयर में कितने सेट्स हैं? 600. सेवेंथ ईयर में कितने सेट्स हैं? 700. Assuming the production increases uniformly by a fixed number, find the production in first year. Find the production in first year. A part, B part, production in 10th year. C part, total production in 7 years. Total production in, so total production is always sum. Can you tell me, Vibhav, how can you find out A1? What is the formula for A3, Vibhav? A1 plus 2D is 600. What is A7, girl? A1 plus 60. Which method will you use to find A1 and D? Elimination. You will bring one equation under the other. You will bring it under A1 plus 2D is 600. Eliminate. 4D is 100. D is 100 over 4, 25. A1 plus 2 into 25 is equal to 600. A1 is 600 minus 50. What is it? 550. You don't have to write rupees because the question is TV sets. 550 TV sets. This is A1. And what is D? 25. And what is the formula of A10, Lakshmi? A10.
A1 plus 90.
Thank you so much. It was so wonderful of you to ask answer so spontaneously. Very good. Good shot. A1, 9 into D. 550 plus 225. 775 TV sets. 10 sets? 10th year mein? They are asking you in 10th year. And then production in first year, production in 10th year. S7. What is the formula for S7? Arna? Gurvansh is so busy copying. This is what rubbish is going. I know everything. I'm so regular in attending the classes. Why should I listen only? Yes, Arna?
7 by 2, 2a plus 6.
Wonderful. 7 by 2. क्या लगा सकते हैं क्योंकि 7th ईयर का भी दिया हुआ है. 7 years means A1 plus A7. ये भी कर सकते हैं. First year is 550. 7th year is 700. 7 by 2 into 1250. 625, 7, 5, 3, 4, 3, 7. How many sum of TV sets in the 7 years? 4,375. Now look. Question number 18. Find the value of k for which these numbers x, 2x plus k and 3x plus 6. They are the three consecutive terms of an AP. Consecutive terms of an AP. क्या करेंगे इसको? Second minus first. Second minus first is equal to third minus second. Second minus third is equal to third minus second. 2x minus x is x plus k. 3x plus 6 minus 2x minus k. 3x minus 2x is x plus 6 minus k. X plus k minus x plus k is equal to 6. Plus x will go here and become minus x. Minus k will come here and become plus. क्वेश्चन से ज्यादा ध्यान ना तुम किस बात में दोनों उलझे हो. x minus x, k plus k is 2k. 2k is 6. What is k? 6 upon 2, 3. So what is the value of k? 3. जिन्होंने किया उनके यही आंसर्स आए. For what value of n, the nth term of these two APs, ये दो APs हैं, this and this, इनके nth term equal है. इनके क्या equal है? nth term. और आपको n बताना है कौन सी वैल्यू के लिए दोनों के nth terms equal है. nth term का फॉर्मूला क्या हुआ? a1 plus n minus 1. What is the difference? 2. क्या हुआ nth term? ये करेक्ट. इसका nth टर्म क्या हुआ? इसका डिफरेंस क्या है? 7, राइट? a1 plus n minus 1d. This is the nth term. 3 plus 7n minus 7, 7n minus 2. This is nth term. This is the nth term. बोलिए ओके? करेक्ट. अब इन दोनों nth टर्म, ये दोनों nth टर्म्स क्या दिए हुए हैं? इक्वल. उनका n की किस वैल्यू के लिए दोनों के nth टर्म्स इक्वल है? तो ये क्या है? 61 plus 2n is 7n minus 4. 4 will come here and become 65. 2n will go there and become 5n. 65 is equal to 5n. n is what? 65 or 5. तो कौन सी टर्म? 13th टर्म ऑफ दिस एंड 13 के लिए दोनों के nth टर्म इक्वल है. यानी इसका a13 और इसका a13. दोनों के nth टर्म्स इक्वल है. nth टर्म का फॉर्मूला होता है a1 plus n minus 1d. इसका a1 क्या है? 63. इसका डिफरेंस क्या है? 2. इसका फर्स्ट टर्म क्या है? 3 एंड डिफरेंस क्या है? 7. ठीक है जी. सो फिनिश दिस टिल 20 एंड यू कैन गो.